Yeah, I'm working on starting my own landscaping business, and I've got a couple good friends might be interested in going in with me. Hadn't decided yet if I'm gonna, you know, go alone or partner up with them, but I know that there's different kinds of companies that you can do, LLC or LLP or whatever. And could you explain what each one of those, how they're different, and which one might be best for my kind of situation?
That's a good first question to kind of get us started on
It
what you do.
It is. It's a good intro. Thank you for that question, Junior. So there are several entities that you can have. When a person goes into business on their own, what they are initially, if they don't form any entity, the law says that they are a sole proprietor. The downside to that is that you are subject to any liability for any debts or any sort of liability that your business might incur. So that's when we have these legal entities such as the limited liability company or a partnership. Now you mentioned in your question an LLP or an LLC. There's all kind of alphabet soup out there, but the LLC is really the most flexible for most small business owners. An LLP is something that tended to lend itself to professions such as lawyers and certain professionals, but the LLC would let you do what you were wanting to do. You could either be a sole member LLC or you can have multiple member LLCs. And the LLC is very flexible in that if you have the right agreement in place, it will allow you to decide who's going to manage the business, who has to put money into the business, who has a right to take money out of the business, and all sorts of things. But that's going to come in the documents that you create, such as your operating agreement for your LLC. But in the type of business you mentioned, and possibly having partners, possibly not having partners, an LLC would cover you either way, and I really think that would probably be the best for your situation.